Thank you to giving me a chance to introduce myself in my career growth and about journey to the Vision Technosur. My name is Ranjan Kumar and I belong to Rohtas, Bihar. And I have completed my BTech from Dr. Bishir Engineering College, which is located in Durgapur, West Bengal, and from ECE Electronics and Communication branch. And after I have completed my degree, I am very interested to learn in IT sector job opportunity and online platform to learn where I got online platform. I got the Vision Techno surname, and it is IT recruitment and consultancy company. One of the excellent path for those who want to get opportunity and get best courses in the IT sectors. I have also get opportunity to join Vision in the month of November 2023. Since I have joined and I learned very every program and best program in IT sectors, and in this program I learned about networking, virtualization, Linux, and Windows Server Administrator, network fundamentals, and ITIL, and CCNA, and cyber security also. And under the guidance of the Vision Technosun team and its administrators, I do my best, and they also do best. All the staffs and all teachers are helpful. So they are all good that will take care of everything about opportunity in the IT sectors, and they teach well. They always give guidance about the interview preparation, and they conduct time to time seminar, which is very helpful in our career growth in apart in future also. And all this contribution in building my career is very important, and for me as a student, and after a good learning and a positive attitude and dedication to the Vision team, I got selected in the Orient technology with 2.88 LPA, and I am very grateful to the team of Vision. Thanks.